We're going to unbox the new Traxxas Maxx. This is a new version that just came in. We already unpacked the beautiful blue-green color, but now we're going to unbox the orange one. The new box shows what's new. Extended chassis, the white Max box added by default, and the bigger sledgehammer tires. Check out that beautiful new orange and blue color. They have 6 new color schemes for the Max. The bodies are longer than the old Max, which means you might not be able to fit them on the old model. We haven't tried yet. We might do that in the future, but for now, 6 new colors available. Alright, come check out that new chassis and I'll show you what's new. Alright, so the Max is 2 centimeters longer, which means a longer, bigger wheelbase. By default, it comes with the 4 centimeter total to each side white Max suspension set. This means that you get a black white Max set installed with the longer toe links, longer upper arms and the longer lower arms. The total chassis has a new product number, so there are several components that have been completely renewed. The wider and higher battery set, let me open it for you. There it is, brand new. Bit more difficult to open than a used one. There we go. It's longer and higher, which means you can now finally fit the bigger 6700 milliamp X-Max battery. Let me show you that. Brand new battery. Look at that. Compared to the 5000 smaller battery, you get a lot more runtime out of this, and it fits just perfectly. Now it also includes, just like the older model, a little set to make the battery box a bit smaller for smaller batteries. Here it is. If you put this in, you'll be able to fit in the older, smaller 5000 battery. But if you want to go for a long drive, get the bigger battery so you can drive longer. Now, the chassis is new, which also means a new main shaft. The axle is longer. The battery tray is new. This is not the same part number as Traxxas released a few months ago to make the battery box higher. This is completely new. And it includes the sledgehammer bigger tires. Let me grab a set of the old tires and compare that for you. These are the standard Max tires that came on the previous model, and you could buy a sledgehammer upgrade, but now it comes with 4 of these included. This also means that the gearing has been changed. I don't know what the gearing is yet, but we'll find out in the manual and get back to you. We still don't know which pinion size this is because it's a brand new part number. The pinion in this truck has been adjusted for the bigger wheels, the bigger tires, and the larger size chassis, but we don't know which one it is because the pinion is new. The new part number is unlisted. It's not yet available separately. It will come out in the coming days probably, but for now the entire truck is new. All the parts are yet to come in and only the truck is available. We've been getting lots of questions about the new body. I love both the orange and the green one. I think I'm going to go for the orange one. Not sure yet. I think this is going to be mine. The bodies will be available separately. but in time after production on the trucks finishes. There are 6 available colors, all of them brand new. None of the colors of the old model have been reused. The body is a different size, so they might not fit. We have not tried yet. You have the gorgeous looking orange and green ones that I've just unboxed, including the rock and roll color that was already available, a new blue and red, and something resembling more of the previous flame colors, which have come out for the Haas and the Maxx previously, but a little bit updated.